Macro strategist Raoul Pal says the price of Bitcoin will reach $1 million in 5 years. He attributes the price increase to adoption by large pools of investors and the enormous wall of money coming into Bitcoin, rather than because the world is collapsing. $1 million Bitcoin in 5 years. Former hedge fund manager Raoul Pal shared his view on the economy, gold, and Bitcoin last week in a podcast interview with Daniela Cambone of Stansberry Research. Pal previously co-managed the Global Macro Fund in London after departing Goldman Sachs, where he co-managed the hedge fund sales business in equities and equity derivatives in Europe. He then founded Global Macro Investor and Real Vision Group. The economy is not going to recover for a lot longer than we expect, he began. There's no stimulus around and we've got more problems to come in Europe, the US, and elsewhere. And businesses don't have enough cash flow, they're reclosing in droves, and that's what I called the insolvency phase. The former hedge fund manager added, the only answer is more from the central banks, so that's why I started to buy more and more Bitcoin. His portfolio used to be equally distributed between US dollars, gold, equities, and Bitcoin. However, he revealed during the podcast that his Bitcoin allocation is probably above 50% now. While acknowledging that this BX allocation exposes him to a 50% downside, he said it is okay for him because the upside is so much bigger. Pal explained that he has reduced his cash holdings and put the funds into Bitcoin. My trading positions are relatively small because I don't think there is as much opportunity as the room is in Bitcoin. So really, mainly a bit of cash, some gold, and Bitcoin. And I am even toying with the idea of selling my gold to buy more Bitcoin, the founder of Global Macro Investor shared, elaborating, I don't dislike gold, but when you get to the macro opportunity, if Bitcoin starts breaking out of these patterns that it has been forming, it is going to massively outperform gold. I am 100% sure of that, so in which case why would I have the gold allocation? The former Goldman Sachs manager clarified that he is not fearful of hyperinflation, default or anything else, adding that he is interested in people adopting a different monitoring unit for their savings and reserve assets. Pal has a bullish forecast on the price of Bitcoin, predicting that it will be $1 million within 5 years. He explained it. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.